Hey everybody, how you doing today? I wanted to show you something that we have in the microwave oven. In case you're wondering why this looks so clean on the inside, it's because we use these glass dishes that go on top of our plates and bowls. And the reason for that is it keeps away the splattering. So as you can see, it's vented right here, and it has this indentation on the inside and a lip on the outside, so you can use this to fit multiple size bowls. So there it is. I put it on a soup bowl and it's good to go. If I had something in there, it'd be nice to cook it in the microwave oven. The other thing is you could put this in your oven, not on the stove, but in the oven, and it's safe as well because it's borosilicate glass. Here's a larger one, a little bit larger. Same idea. You got the vents on there. You have the indentation on the inside, and it fits nicely on here. And then over here, I've got this microwave plate cover, and this has vents on the sides. So basically, it forms a gap, and you put this on top of your plate, you cook the food, you pull this off of there, and you're good to go. Or you can put food on the inside of here. So you could cook this with a pie, for example, in your oven. Obviously, you could mix and match here. You could put that on top of there and cook something inside of there if you wanted to. You're fully capable of doing that. The other thing is that you can put a smaller lid on top of this larger bowl over here. So as you can see, I turned it upside down, and now the lip is facing downward, so it's keeping it in position. So I like that. That's pretty nice. So just, if you have different bowl sizes, that works pretty well. So it's really nice to have. You could also put a smaller plate inside of here and then just put that on top of your microwave oven, and works pretty well. So I just want to show you that, and thanks for taking a look at this here with me. Here's some products. It's called Cucina Safe, and over here this is the same one, Cucina Safe, and this is for the plates, and these are for bowls. So they're real nice. Just thought I'd show you. Oh, the nice thing, I forgot to see, you can also put this in the dishwasher. So yes, you can scrub them, wash them by hand, or if they're really dirty, just stick them in the washer, and then they're pretty much clean as soon as you pull them out of there. So let me know what you think. Take care.